Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we focused on different types of scales and measurements. In this video, we will discuss the various classifications of comparative scales. We may require to make comparative analysis of attributes of various objects or indicators in business research. For example, we can ask a question to the respondent like, how do you rate Samsung Galaxy Note 8 in comparison to iPhone 7? In comparative scales, it's assumed that respondents make use of a standard frame of reference before answering the question. In our example, between Samsung Galaxy and iPhone serves as a term of reference. Now let me explain three important types of comparative scales. The first one is paired comparison scale. Here, the respondent is presented with two objects and is asked to select one according to whatever criterion he or she wants to use. For example, marketing researchers wish to find out which is the most important factor in determining consumer choice for a particular brand. Check for attributes like goodwill, market share, affordability, and customer service. These four attributes can be offered as 6 pairs. Then the respondents can be asked to choose one out of the two from 6 possible pairs. Second type is rank order scaling. In the rank order scaling, respondents are presented with several objects simultaneously and asked to order or rank them according to some criterion. For example, the researcher can present 5 attributes of a smartphone such as price, comfort, ease of use, style, and durability, and ask the respondents to rank the items in order of their preference. Third type is constant sum scale. It is a technique wherein the respondents are asked to allocate a constant sum of units or points or money among the stimulus objects, indicating the relative importance of various attributes. For example, suppose a respondent is asked to allocate 100 points to the attributes of a four-wheeler on the basis of the importance he or she attaches to each attribute. In case any attribute being unimportant, 0 points can also be allocated. The last one is Q-sort technique. In this method, respondents are asked to sort the presented objects into piles based on similarity according to a specified criterion such as preference, attributes, perception, etc. Suppose there are 100 statements and an individual is asked to pile them into 5 groups, ranging from the most agreed with to the least agreed with. That's all about comparative scale measurement. Now let's recap what we learned in this video. We were discussing various types of comparative measurement scale.